This part NEET UG MCQs. I am Dr. Shiban, MBBS DCH, postgraduated from Madras Medical College. Okay, so this is my part 37. Okay, so my first question itself is a old repeat MCQ, right? The word messenger is related to which nucleic acid? The term messenger is related to which nucleic acid? Messenger is related to only RNA. Only RNA. Okay, messenger only RNA. The word adapter is related to which nucleic acid? Adapter. Any idea which nucleic acid? It is only RNA. It is only RNA. Adapter means RNA. So for RNA, I told you two MCQ points. One is adapter, another is which one? What is another point? Messenger. I got two more MCQ points for that. Messenger, adapter, catalytic and reactive. For the four questions, answer is RNA. I will repeat. Adapter is RNA. Messenger, which nucleic acid? RNA. Reactive, which nucleic acid? RNA. And one more what I told? A catalytic, catalyst, which nucleic acid? RNA. Four questions, four are repeat MCQs. You want me to repeat RNA? Four MCQs. Messenger, you have to take RNA. Adapter, RNA. Catalytic or catalyst, RNA. Fourth one is reactive, RNA. Okay, and one more thing I can tell you. Okay, enough. These four. And one more thing I can tell. Protein synthesis. Protein synthesis, RNA. For the five things, RNA. Okay. Fecal matter. This is a repeat MCQ. They have asked the same MCQ point last year. They have asked for true or false. Which of the following statement is true? Okay. So, fecal matter is the dissolved material. Fecal matter is the dissolved material in wastewater. Dissolved material in wastewater, fecal matter. True or false? Come on. It is a colloidal material. Colloidal material. See how finely they have asked for NEET preparation. Colloidal material. Read the question. Fecal matter is the dissolved material. No, it is the colloidal material. Bacteria is a colloidal material in wastewater. True or false? Bacteria is a colloidal material in wastewater. True or false? Yes, it is a true statement. It is a true statement. Cloth is a suspended solid in wastewater. True or false? Cloth is a suspended solid. Any idea? Cloth is a colloidal material in wastewater. Cloth is a colloidal material. See, all these questions they have asked to match the following. Match the following. Okay. Paper fiber is a dissolved material in wastewater. True or false? Paper material. Any idea? Paper material is a colloidal material in wastewater. Paper fiber is a colloidal material. Maybe this, okay, I'll tell you later. What is CFC? Chlorofluorocarbons. Okay, chlorofluorocarbons are related to what? Any idea? Chlorofluorocarbons related to MCQ man, match the following. Related to ozone. Chlorofluorocarbons are related to ozone. Chlorofluorocarbons, ozone, okay. SILT. Silt is a colloidal material in wastewater. Silt, SILT, is a colloidal material. True or false? It is a suspended solid in wastewater. What is the question? What is the question? SILT. Silt is a good. Clay is a dissolved material in wastewater. True or false? Clay, CLOY. Clay is a true or false? Clay is a suspended solid. This is how you should prepare for NEET. Clay is a suspended solid. So now you have to tell me dissolved materials in wastewater. Dissolved materials in wastewater. Any idea? Tell me all the things. 5 things. These 5 things are dissolved material. What all? Read. Nitrates, ammonia, phosphate, sodium and calcium. These 5 are MCQ. They will keep these 3. They will keep 3 and they will keep some other thing. NEET people are brilliant people. You have to memorize all these 5. And you should know these are dissolved material. Dissolved material. What else? Come on, read it. Nitrates, ammoniates, colmates, and last is calcium, sodium. You have to memorize. But definitely there will be an MCQ in this section. Don't forget, the question is dissolved material. Dissolved material. Just write it down. Memorize it. So what are the colloid material in wastewater? Colloid material. Just now I discussed everything. Colloid material. What else? Read everything. Paper, cloth, bacteria and fecal matter. Paper, cloth, bacteria and fecal matter are colloidal material. Don't forget the question. Question is very important for NEET, not the answer. Many people study the answer. They don't know the question for what they studied. They know 32 degrees centigrade. They don't know what is the question they studied. Wrong way of studying NEET. NEET you should study the question first. Colloidal material. What else? Paper, cloth, bacteria, fecal matter. Paper, cloth, bacteria, fecal matter. Don't forget the question. Colloid material. Suspended solid in wastewater. This is how we should prepare for NEET. Suspended solid in wastewater. Come on, what else? Sand, silt, clay. Sand, silt, clay. They will keep some other thing and they will ask which is the wrong statement. Easy. It is very easy. But don't forget the question. Suspended solid. Suspended solid in wastewater or sand, silt, clay. Among the 3 which we studied, which is very difficult to remove from wastewater? Among the 3 which we studied, which is very difficult to remove from wastewater? Just imagine, which is very difficult. Logic. It is dissolved materials, right? If you know this point, you can answer the toughest MCQ. Okay, you can answer the toughest MCQ if you know this point. The word Dobson, D-O-P-S-O-N, is written as small d and capital U. True or false? True or false? It is written as D capital, U capital. This question I am expecting next year NEET. DU, both are capital for Dobson. Can you tell me a question for number 30? They will give 10, 20, 30, 40. What is the question? What is the question? "30 recombinant techniques are used worldwide." 30 recombinant therapeutics is used worldwide. 30 recombinant therapeutics is used worldwide. These are the questions they will ask in NEET. This type of questions they will ask in NEET. Yes. Can you tell me a question for 12? 12. 12 recombinant therapeutics are used in India. 12 recombinant therapeutics are used in India. India, 12. Dash helps plants against nematode infestation. Any idea? This is a very important repeat MCQ. That is why I am telling you so clearly. What is the answer? Plant generated DSRNA. Same word they are given in a textbook. What is the question? People don't know the question, they know the answer. They know DSRNA, but they don't know the question. What is the question? Read the question well. Dash, plant, nematode is infestation. Got it? So what is the answer? Plant generated DSRNA. Okay. Plant generated. They will keep animal generated. NEET purpose, people are so brilliant. Plant generated is important, DS is important. Come on. Smoking decreases the heart rate. True or false? Smoking decreases the heart rate. True or false? You are going to be a doctor, you should know this. Yes. What is the answer? Smoking increases the heart rate. Okay, don't forget Shiban, okay. Smoking increases the blood pressure. True or false? Smoking increases the blood pressure. True or false? It is a true statement. Smoking increases. This is NEET. Why smoking increases blood pressure? This is the actual NEET question. Why smoking increases the blood pressure? Why? Because of high levels of adrenaline, noradrenaline, ADRE, adrenaline, and noradrenaline. I made it very clear. I think you forgot the question now. What is the question for this? Why smoking increases the blood pressure? Lactobacillus is found in blood. True or false? Lactobacillus is found in blood. True or false? Come on. Lactobacillus is found in milk. 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 How lactobacillus helps curd formation? CURD. How lactobacillus helps in curd CURD formation? Any idea? Coagulates and partially digest milk proteins. They will keep completely and they will confuse you. You will think it is correct. This is NEET. Partially is the keyword. Coagulates, coagulates, coagulates and partially digest the milk proteins. So what is the question? How lactobacillus helps in curd formation? The answer is coagulates and partially dilates the milk protein. One more MCQ. Which is responsible for milk to curd conversion? That time you should answer lactobacillus. Milk to curd is supported by lactobacillus. It's an MCQ. This is MCQ. Come on. Curd is rich in which vitamin? This is NEET. Curd is rich in which vitamin? Come on. Which vitamin? B12. B12. Or they can ask, B12 is rich in which of the following? That time also you should answer depending upon the choice. Dash checks, CHEKS, checks the disease causing organism in the intestine. In the intestine. Dash checks the disease causing organism in the intestine. Any idea? Which one? Any idea? Lactobacillus. Very, very important MCQ. Lactobacillus. See, all the questions I have taken from your NCERT 12th standard textbook only. Okay. And write some good comments in the comment section. And kindly share this great awareness video with your classmates and senior friends. Okay. It will be useful for so many people. After hearing this video, my part 38 is also available in the same YouTube channel. Okay. See, we eat dosa and idli, right? Dosa and idli, dough. Okay, that mixture is fermented by what? Dosa and idli. Tomorrow when you eat dosa and idli, remember me, okay? Okay, good. And you can remember MCQ also. Dosa and idli dough is fermented by what? Bacteria. Same word they are given in a textbook. They will give bacteria, virus, fungus, yeast. We will think yeast. So, whenever you answer a biology question, no logic. If you have studied, it will be correct. Not studied, it will be wrong. That's why I am telling you. Biology is not that easy. So, dosa and idli dough is fermented by bacteria. The puffed The dough, that what to say? The dough, that is called dough, D-O-U-G-H. It looks puff. That puffed appearance of that dosa dough is due to what? The dough, puffed appearance of dosa dough is what? It is due to carbon dioxide. Classical NEET MCQ. Baker's yeast. Any idea? Where they use baker yeast? Any idea? Baker yeast. Baker yeast is used in dough for making bread, not dosa idli. Your textbook says baker yeast is used in the dough making bread. Baker yeast. As per your textbook, baker yeast is they are given only for bread. Which is called the baker's yeast? Which is called the baker yeast? BAKERYEAST. Don't forget the question. What is the answer? Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Just memorize it. Many people will memorize the answer. They will forget the question. It's called the baker's yeast. And one more question they will ask. They will keep this choice and they will ask the following organism is a bacteria, virus, fungus, yeast. That time you should be brilliant enough to answer this question. And don't forget me, okay? Saccharomyces cerevisiae is a yeast. It's a yeast. It's a yeast. It's a yeast. Toddy, T-O-D-D-Y. Toddy is prepared from what method? They'll ask oxidation, reduction, fermentation, distillation. Some name they'll keep. Toddy. Any idea? How is toddy prepared? Toddy is prepared by fermentation. MCQ. Toddy. Okay, don't forget toddy. T-O-D-D-Y. Toddy, fermentation. Your textbook says Swiss cheese has small holes. Correct or wrong? Swiss cheese has small holes. True or false? This is NEET preparation. Come on. Swiss cheese has large holes. If they give a statement like this, you will think smaller, larger. Start thinking. Okay. See the same question. Large holes in Swiss cheese is due to hydrogen. True or false? Large holes in Swiss cheese is due to hydrogen. True or false? This is NEET man. Carbon dioxide. Like the Dove. D-O-U-G-H. Dove. Carbon dioxide. Don't forget the question. Don't forget this question. See next question. Carbon dioxide in Swiss cheese is secreted by what? Is produced by what? Produced by Propionobacterium. Got it? Propionobacterium Sharmani. Propionobacterium Sharmani. I think you forgot the question now. Any idea what is the question? Carbon dioxide in cheese is produced from. Carbon dioxide in cheese is produced from. Any idea? Got it now? The propionibacterium is used in Roquefort, Roquefort cheese. There are two types of cheese in your textbook. Swiss cheese and this Roquefort cheese. Right. Propionibacterium is related to Roquefort. What is Roquefort cheese? True or false? Roquefort cheese. True or false? Propionibacterium is related to Swiss cheese. Classical, match the following. Propionibacterium. So what is used in Roquefort cheese? It is very easy, man. Roquefort cheese. Come on, Roquefort cheese. Fungus. Roquefort cheese. Fungus. See, you can ask me how to remember everything. Okay, you can ask me how to remember everything. They have scientifically proved that if you want to remember a study material, you must hear the video for continuous 7 days. I'll repeat the word, continuous 7 days. You hear this video for continuous 7 days, I will guarantee you that you will remember all the 100 MCQs for a minimum 1 year. Minimum 1 year. That is what practiced by top score, 720 out of 720 students. They don't reveal this great secret outside. You try this in this video. You will see wonders. 7 days continuous recall. Spend 1 hour for this video, 7 days. So Swiss cheese uses what? Bacteria. We discussed, I think. Okay. Swiss cheese uses bacteria. Swiss cheese uses bacteria. Which is called the abiotic component in ecology. Match the following. Which is called the abiotic component in ecology. Abiotic component in ecology. Any idea? Same word they are given in your textbook. Whether you understand or not understand, just memorize it. Abiotic component in ecology. Just memorize this word. Abiotic component alone characterize the habitat of organism. Abiotic alone habitats the habitat of the organism. True or false?